Could I get a cup of coffee?
Move, hobo. Hello.
Hey. Amanda, is that you?
Connor?
Wait, you two know each other?
Yeah, I was in love with Amanda back in college, and, well, she was head over heels for me as well.
What? I was never in love with him.
Oh, come on, the tattoo on your butt should say otherwise.
Sorry, what?
Oh, excuse me, I don't think I introduced myself. Connor O'Larry.
Oh, it's Pam.
Pleasure to meet you, Pam.
Oh, a real gentleman. Let me help you pick this up.
For your information, I removed the tattoo years ago. And now I see the reason. You're just a dirty hobo.
What? Hey. Are you out of your mind? Why would you do that?
What? He's a hobo. He needs to know his place. This is a fancy cafe. And he doesn't belong here.
He's a human being, first of all.
Oh my God! First of all, he's a hobo. Who cares anyway? What?
Looks like some coins rolled down the counter, and I can't buy coffee now. Damn.
Here. This should cover coffee and the dessert.
Thank you. I can pay you back. I just need to run down to my trailer.
Really? He's not just a hobo. He's an elite hobo because he has a trailer.
Thanks, but it's not necessary. And actually, we really need to go.
Well, wait, hold on, but I need to pay you back. How about a dinner tonight at 8? It's on me.
Okay. Now we're going back to reality. One thing is to help hobo, but another thing is to go on a date with hobo.
Deal. See you at 8.
See you at 8, Pam.
You crazy? Bam. Let's go. Pam, I saved a seat for you. Come on, sit down.
What's going on?
Well, I decided not to leave you alone and organized some kind of double date. Meet Dave, my new boyfriend.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, whatever.
Dave is a big shot in showbiz. He's in the town of filming some kind of blockbuster. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
And he's a director. Am I right?
Yeah, something like that.
And tell us, please, about your boyfriend. Well, I would do it by myself. Her boyfriend is a hobo.
A hobo?
Mm-hmm.
Is this some kind of joke?
Not at all. Pam is just a good Samaritan.
Well, why date a hobo? Oh, let's talk about low self-esteem.
By the way, where he is?
I don't know. Maybe he's busy.
Of course. Of course he's busy with some kind of hobo business. I mean, maybe he found half-eaten apple. Or maybe he's trying to catch a slow squirrel for the dinner, huh?
A slow squirrel? Like, I just don't understand. Why date a hobo? This is what a real man should look like.
Yeah. Expensive suit, latest iPhone. The most valuable thing your hobo have is that $20 that you give him. Ooh, I finally decided to show up. This is a hobo I was talking about.
Good evening.
Mr. O'Leary, sir, I am so sorry. I will explain everything.
Oh, Larry? Do you both know each other?
Dave here's my assistant. Isn't it, Dave?
Wait, assistant to hobo?
Mr. O'Leary is not a hobo. He's the leading actor in a blockbuster we're filming.
What?
Yeah, I'm playing a homeless man in this new movie, and I wanted to grab a cup of coffee and just didn't bother to change. And
But you didn't have the money.
well, they don't put money in the prop clothes.
Come on, you live in a trailer.
Well, the leading star always gets his own trailer.
Wait a second. You told me that you are director.
Well, to be precise, I said something like that.
Okay, Dave, can you please put the suit and everything you took from the trailer back?
Stop, stop, stop. That's not even your clothes?
Oh, so you were too embarrassed to show us yourself, right? Maybe let's talk about low self-esteem?
Sir, I will return everything right away.
No, Dave. I actually want you to return my clothes right now.
You mean like right here?
Yeah. Can you start with your pants?
Yeah, definitely. Why not take off the trousers right in front of all those? Definitely, why not? Take off my pants right here in front.
Oh my God, that is so embarrassing.
Here you are, sir.